Good morning, boys and girls. I'm 𝙅𝙤𝙤𝙚 from Aplus AI. Today is Monday, 29th of April. It's going to be the end of the month. Today is last week of April. Let's take a look at gold performance. For the week, we start at the weekly chart. So this is the weekly chart as we can see. Okay, last week actually forming selling pressures. And the low actually below the previous week lows already and forming another low levels over here. And we go back to the daily chart. Okay, so this is the daily chart. Last 2 days, last 2 sessions, Thursday, Fridays, actually forming some reversals candles, but it still looks weak for gold. So even though it actually has tested the 50% Fibonacci retrenchments around here last week, so the high it went was 2,352.64, low was 2,326.36, and closed at 2,338. Still able to stay above 2,300 levels. But today Asia sessions open actually is open lowers. Okay, still looking at it is forming some selling pressures over here. And Monday, take a look at consolidation zone around 2,328 to 2,348, around this range. If it can stay above the upper range, then break above, then actually there's more buying pressures up testings last week high, last Friday's high over here, 2,352. So this is also the 50% Fibonacci retrenchment. So as long as it's still below 50% Fibonacci retrenchments, that it still looks weak, the bull has not been back. If it stay below the lower channels of these 2,328, then actually it will be more bearish signs already, more confirmed, and it will first test on last week low. So it's a short range, and perhaps we test on these order blocks areas over here around the EMA 20, 2,317 to 2,322. So we also have to take notes that another target areas to be the supports around 2,297 to 2,303. This will be these two target areas. If these two areas has been broken below, then actually will further test on. We may test on this 2,265 to 2,268 levels. We may further test on. Okay, that's this week. There's a high impact news also, economic data. So let's take a look at last week what had happened. So gold price fell from 2,350 in Friday early US session as the United States annual core PCE data for March has remained above estimates. Higher US core PCE inflation has prompted the US dollar's recovery. So US go up, gold went down. Higher than expected figures rates on gold appear as these lightened hopes of the Fed's rate cuts in September's monetary policies meeting. Okay, the 10 years new yield bonds are slightly down at the 4.69. This was as last Friday's readings, but are still close to a 5-month high and helps the SAU-USD limits its losses. Meanwhile, the US dollars index rebounds to 105.80 after hotter than expected inflation. This was the last Friday's evening's readings here. This week, investors looking forward to jobs openings, Federal Reserve rates, and employment data happenings on Wednesday, Thursdays, and Fridays. So plan out your trades. Have a good trade. Shine bright with gold, your path to success with Aplus AI. You can join our Telegram group for free gold trading signals. You can join my brokers, which I have provided the reference links over here. Have a good trade, plan your trade, trade your plan, profit consistent. See you tomorrow. Bye.